How to sync across devices. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. I'll show you how you can sync Audible across devices. To sync your audiobooks across devices, the first step is to open your Audible application and then log in with your Amazon account, just like I've done here. And then once you've done that, move to the bottom part of the screen and click on the library icon. Once you've done that, you will be brought to your audiobooks page. On this page, the next step will be for you to choose the audiobook you want to sync and then tap the download button. And where can you find the download button? On the audiobook, click on the three vertical dots that you can see there, and then amongst the options displayed in the drop down menu, ensure you select download. Alright, so download this particular audiobook on this particular device, and then the next thing you have to do is to repeat this on other devices by opening the Audible app on your other devices, sign in, and then download the same audiobook. That way your listening progress will be synced automatically across devices as long as they are signed into the same Amazon account. So that's the trick. This is how we can sync Audible across devices. So go ahead and have fun reading or listening to your audiobooks on Audible. Thank you for watching and have a good day.